Page 34, triplets. Triplets throw a lot of people, but piano players usually get really good at them because we get them so much. We get a lot of practice. Basically, a triplet is where you're going to play 3 notes in the same time as you would normally play 2 notes. We say triple time or duple time, so in 3 or in 2, whichever. Now, we get really good at going back and forth constantly. There's different ways of counting triplets. You can do an and, like the book shows in the middle of the page. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, whatever it is. You can also use the word triplet. Triplet, triplet, triplet. Actually, you can use anything that helps you get it even. Most of the time when you have triplets, you will have a note after them. And it's the 3 notes in the triplet and the note after them, the 4 notes total. They all have to be even. So if I want a triplet, it's 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Some people might go 1, thinking that's a triplet. It's not a triplet. Or that's not a triplet. All 4 of those notes must be even. Is very important. So let's look at the music there at toward the bottom of the page on page 34, the grand staff music. We have the hands are playing the same notes. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and we get good at this going back and forth between triple and duple. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and we just go back and forth constantly because we get it so much. I've noticed other instrument players, like in the band or orchestra, they tend to struggle with triplets because they don't get them that much and they don't really get them even most of the time. So make sure they are even. That line at the bottom of the page is just a little bit of melody from a Tchaikovsky symphony. 5/4 times, you notice there's 5 beats in a measure. Doesn't matter. Just count to 5 instead of the others. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's all it is. 1 and 2 and. That's triplets. Let me know if you have any questions, but that's basically what they are. So I guess in the next few lessons or whatever, we're going to run across triplets.